Hey everybody, Lucas Purden here from Paul Sherry Chrysler in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon, stock number 28485T. It's a Rocky Ridge Mad Rock edition. It has a 3.5 sport lift on it, E-coated performance coil springs, Rocky Ridge aluminum shocks, upgraded front and rear sway bar end links, bump stock extensions. The front lower control arms have been upgraded. Has 20-inch color matched wheels with a 37-inch Mickey Thompson tire. It's got color matched front bumper with a red grill insert, red tow hooks. It's got an 8,500 pound synthetic rope winch. Off-road step bars. Inside is loaded, power everything, black leather with the red stitching. Has the 8.4-inch Uconnect touchscreen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Has 410 gears with 4.1 Rock Track HD part-time all-wheel drive system. Alpine sound system. It's got the handles up top. Back seat here has fold down console with cup holders in here. Your window controls, USB ports, a 115 outlet. Underneath the bottom has a skid plate across pretty much everything. Your back spare tire, the backup camera, you got red tow hooks, black Flowmaster exhaust. Again, we're looking at a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon Rocky Ridge Mad Rock Edition, stock number 28485T. I'm Lucas Purden. Come visit us at Paul Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio, or give me a call at 937-778-0830, extension 1129, or visit us online at sherrychrysler.com.